how to fix this channel can't be displayed on Telegram app. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix this problem. So the first way is you have to go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, go to Telegram, click here on force stop, and then go to storage, click here on clear cache. And now all what you have to do, that's the first way. The second way, go to the home page, go to Play Store, and go to the search bar and search for Telegram, and click here on update if you found it. And yeah, that's the second way. The third way is you have to use a VPN, because sometimes the problem is because that group or this channel is not supported in your country. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.